How to fix the Phone Link app is not working on your Windows 11 computer. So whether you're having connecting issues, the app's not opening, or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is come down to your taskbar and make sure Energy Saver mode is disabled like this. Now, once you've done that, you can go and open up your Start menu and then search for Share Across Devices and click on this window here. Now, click on the drop-down arrow next to Share Across Devices and make sure My Devices Only is selected. You'll then need to click on Apps from the left-hand side and click on Installed Apps. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on System Components. Now use the search box to search for Phone Link. Click on the three horizontal dots next to this and select Advanced Options. Now click on the drop-down arrow next to Background Permissions and set this to Always. You'll then need to scroll down this page where it says Terminate and click on the Terminate button. You could then scroll down to Reset and click on Repair. And once that's finished, we're also going to click on Reset and click on the Reset button. You'll then need to open up your Start menu, go in search for Run and click on the Run icon. Now type in wsreset.exe and then press Enter. Now that should take you over to the Microsoft Store. You could then click on Library from the left-hand side and you'll just need to make sure Phone Link is fully up to date. So you can see that any apps with this cloud icon means it needs updating, but if you just see the Open button next to Phone Link, then it's already up to date. Now once you've done this, you can go and open up the application. You could then try reconnecting to your phone and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the Start menu, click on Settings and click on Bluetooth from the left-hand side. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on like this. And if it's still not working, you may need to go in, unlink your phone and then try reconnecting it. So that's how to fix the Phone Link not working on your Windows computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.